In this video, I'll be showing you how to install or update your Nvidia drivers on Windows 10 and 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Is going over to your browser of choice and typing in Nvidia app like so, then go to download Nvidia app for gamers and creators, press download now and wait for it to install on your PC. Then once it's installed, all you want to do is search up Nvidia app like so, and then go ahead and open up the application. Once you do, it's going to look like this, so quite different to GeForce Experience. And then from here, you're going to go to drivers, which is the second option on the left. You're going to see a few different options, but go to drivers. And then all you're going to do is you're going to see the latest game ready driver. So all you want to do is press download. But if you don't want the game ready driver and you're like maybe someone who only edits and doesn't game, you can switch it from game ready driver to studio driver as well. And then that's it. Once you download it, you're going to have to install it. After that, I would just recommend restarting your PC and then you'll be good to go. And if you want to see exactly what a new driver update has in store, it shows what's new and it also shows what's fixed as well. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.